As we judge other people, so too other people judge us. But don't you think rather than pointing fingers at each other, the best thing would be self-appraisal? To transform our life, we need to assess our strengths and weaknesses. The 5 stages of transformation methodology to help us to shape up our life. The power of life, the tragedy of triumph will help you to show your transformation. Number 1, self-realization. Number 2, learning. Number 3, take action. Number 4, transition. Number 5 is the results. If you look at the self-realization, know yourself, discover yourself. Most of the time, we are wasting energy to know our others than knowing ourselves. The seed of the transformation lies in self-knowledge. We need to understand, we need to assess our strengths and weaknesses. We have to take the cautious effort to reduce our weaknesses and to focus on the areas for improvement. We have to identify our key areas and we have to identify our potential to create miracles in our life. To identify the key areas, to create a miracle in our life, you should have the burning desire to achieve. Number 2 is learning. After self-realization, you have to focus on the learning. We have to widen and deepen our base of our knowledge. Knowledge is power. Specific knowledge is potential power. We have to understand the importance of the learning. We should have mastered in the field. Yes, the continuous learning. We have to identify the new areas, new techniques, new methodology, new strategy. You have to keep on learning. You should have the lifelong learner. When you are learning, we have to apply the 70-20-10 methodology. I have prepared separate video for that. For that video, you can click the link below. Number 3, take action. Mere knowledge like uncooked brains. We need to cook more tasty. Yes, the learning alone is not enough unless otherwise if you are not putting into the action, we cannot see the results. We may be aware of lot of things, but we are not taking any action. The awareness alone is not enough. You may be aware if you are going for the gym, you may get healthy, but you are not taking action. If you are started saving, you can start creating wealth. We are not taking any action. So our past experience will help you to take actions. Whatever you are learning, you have to put and you have to take steps to achieve your desired results. Only then we can be able to see the results. And number 4 is a transition. The transition is a pathway. So whenever required, we have to analyze this transition will help you to review yourself. Whether it's going in the right track, right path will help you to assess yourself. The review system will help you to strengthen your process. If you strengthen your process, you can see your progress. Wherever required, if your process is not going according to your plan, you can apply the new strategy. You can take the mid-course correction. It will help you to move on to the destination on time with effective manner. During this stage, we should not take any arguments. We should not go for any pessimistic approach. We'll adopt the optimistic approach and work towards on that. And the 5th one is a results. It's a final stage. This stage you can show it as the transformation stage. We have to show our knowledge and the ability to the others. We should work like a mentor. We have the capability to show the others. The transformation stage, if we become masters and show the pathway to others, we are helping others to guide them and then taking to the next level. The transformation level, the results will happen in both the personal and the professional life. This stage, we are guiding others. Yes, these are the 5 stages, the transformation methodology. So know yourself, identify yourself where you are standing. Based on that, you can take the steps for the learning, the continuous learning, and help you to improve your knowledge. And based on that, based on your knowledge, we can take steps accordingly. You can apply your knowledge. And wherever required, you can review your system, review your pathway. If required, you can take the mid-course correction. After that, you can see the results. You can see the final stages of the transformation. It's not only in nature that caterpillar metamorphoses into colorful butterfly. This cycle will also happen in a human life. Yes, we have the power to transform our life from tragedy to triumph, seed to success, scarcity to abundance when we are applying for these 5 stages of transformation methodology.